the project, which is USA 273. We'll be discussing about this project, what things do we have to take care, how we're gonna do this project, what are the do's and don'ts, which application we might be using, how you gonna get the job or task. So everything will be covered in this meeting. Yeah. So let me just start from the beginning. I'm presenting my screen. Let me know once you can see the screen. Okay. Okay. Is this visible?
No.
Not
Just
yet.
a moment. Okay.
No.
Now, is
Yes.
it visible now?
Yeah, it's okay.
Yes.
Okay, fantastic. Okay, so as we discussed, this is a USA 273, and this is a utterance recording project. Okay, so how are we gonna do it? What all languages are included? On which tool we gonna do it? We'll be talking about that. So may I know the vendors that you are for which languages? How many languages will you be covering? Mexican, German, Tamil, Bengali. Yes, no, maybe any answers?
नीलम, प्लीज आप बताइए कि कौन कौन सी लैंग्वेज में आप काम कर रहे हो, प्लीज.
Majorly, we are covering Tamil language, and then we are looking. I mean, we'll be covering few Bengali as well. Tamil and Bengali. Do we have English also?
That is Mexican English.
Mexican. Okay.
Mexican
Now.
accented English.
Yeah. So we'll be going for only Tamil and Bengali.
Okay. And what about others?
Okay, I'll be looking to do Mexican and Tamil.
Mexican accented English and Tamil, right?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So you will be recording these utterances on our application, which is SAFE 2.0. I'll be guiding you through the. I'll be guiding you how you can use that application, how you can register for that, and how you're gonna record the utterances. Secondly, the prompt will be provided by the SAFE team. Okay. Yes. No, maybe. Are we clear on this?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay, fantastic. Now, you firstly, for the registration part, you will get an invitation through email from the SAFE team, as you can see on the screen. Yes. And you just have to click on accept invitation. After you have clicked on accept invitation, you will be redirected to a page where you have to fill up all of your details. You have to fill this form where you can create your account. There will be two steps. In step one, as you can see, the email ID is already filled up. You don't need to type in your email ID. Then you can create the password, and then you have to confirm that password. After that, you have to enter the first name, last name, country of residence, your mobile number with the code. Once you are done with this, you will click on next, and then you can come to the step 2, where you have to fill out all these details which are available: gender, birth date, ethnicity, skill set, and language. Now, about the skill set, as you will be working in utterance collection project, you have to select audio collection. There will be three options, that is image collection, video collection, and audio collection. As you are working in utterance collection, it is mandatory that you have to select the audio collection. You can select all three, but mandatory is audio collection. Are we clear? Yes, no, maybe.
Yes.
Okay. Now, the
Yes.
second option. Okay. And the next option, which is about language ability. Now, in whichever language you will be recording the utterances, you have to select the language according to that. I'll be sharing the screenshot how you can select the language. Okay, I'll be giving you a demo as well, and you have to select according to your project only. If you are working on German language, you can select German. If you are working on Mexican accented English, you can select that language. Tamil and Bengali accordingly. Yes. Once you have selected the language, you can click on I agree, and then you have to click on create account. Now your account has been created. Okay. Do we have any queries till now? Because next step, I'll be showing you how you can install the application and log in through that mobile application. Yes, clear? Yes, no, maybe?
It's clear. Yeah, it's clear.
Okay. So now I'll be stopping the screen share, and I'll be sharing my mobile screen. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now, is this visible? My mobile screen?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So first step, what you have to do, you have to go to the Play Store. Now, this application is available for Android users and also iOS users. You will be provided the link for that. Now, if you have to install this application, simply you can go to the App Store and you can search for, say, work. This is the application, as you can see. Now, this is showing the update option, as I have already installed this application in my phone. So for you, that will be showing install option. Okay. Once you have installed this application, you can simply open that application and then the login page will appear. Again, as I have logged in this application already, that's why this page is coming. But you have to put your email ID and the password which you have created at the time of registration. Yes, remember when you have clicked on accept invitation, then you have filled up that form. Over there, you have put the email ID was already available, and you have created the password. That password and email ID you have to put in this login page, and you will be logged into this particular application, which you can see over here. Yes. Any queries in login, username, password? Yes, no,
No,
maybe.
it's clear.
Okay.
No.
Okay. Now you can see there are 4 options which are available in the application: project, my project, alerts, and my account. Yes. So
Yeah, we
we'll
can
be
see.
discussing about these in detail. First of all, let's start with the my account. Now, these details are already filled up. If you have to edit your details, you can simply click on this pencil button, which is after my name, right? That is edit button. Particular projects in which you are working for those kind of languages, what you have to do, you have to select that language ability. Yes. If you are working on English, Tamil, Bengali, German, any language, that language should be available over here. Now, I'll give you a demo how you can add that language. So simply you have to click on this plus add button. Can you see this? Yes, no, maybe,
Yes.
please. Yes. So once you have clicked on this particular button, you will be having these options. First of all, you have to select the language. Let me start giving, I'll give you a demo of Tamil. So I will type the language, which is Tamil. Then language, that will always be native. Make sure, guys, when you are working in this project, your first language should be that language in which you going to be recording those utterances. Your first language should be that language. If you are working on Tamil language, project, that means your primary language or native language should be Tamil. If you are working in Bengali project, then your primary language or native language should be Bengali. Clear? Same goes for the Mexican English and German as well. Now, next step, we have to select the country, which is India, and the region would be Tamil Nadu, right? Once I have done this, I can simply click on Add button and look, this language has been added. Once you have done this, only then you will be able to get the job. Otherwise, you will not get any job on this project. Yeah. Again, I will give you a demo for Bengali language as well. So I am selecting the language, which is Bengali. Level, again, native, country, India, and region will be West Bengal, right? And now simply you have to click on Add button, and that language has been added. You can see here, right? Now, in this only, you can change the other details if you have mistakenly, put wrong, like your mobile number, gender, or anything. Now, again, the option for the skill set, as you are working in the utterance collection, the primary, the mandatory one is audio data collection. Apart from this, I can cancel out. Yeah, or I can select all the options, but audio collection, data collection should be there anyhow. Once you are done with the details, once you are done with the profile, you can simply click on done and it's done. Just a moment, let me remove the duplicate language which I have, entered. Okay, now I can click on done. One portion, that my account portion has been done. Do you have any query in this? Anyone?
No.
Okay. Now, second part, that is alert. Alert is nothing but the notification. When you have been alerted any job, you can get that notification. Yes, as you can see, you have a new job. That is the notification for me. That is the alert, nothing else. Now, to work on this project, there are some requirements. First requirement, that this, the environment should be quiet. Yes, this is the primary requirement for this particular project, and for that, you have to make sure that that environment is quiet. For that, you will be getting an application link. You have to install that link, and you have to first run that application to make sure that the environment is quiet. I'll give you a demo, and I'll share you the screenshots as well, how you can check that. Just give me a minute. So this is application that is a decibel sound data sound label. This application you have to install, and once you run this application, you can see the what is the noise of this environment. Yes, right now what I have done, I have muted my speaker and mic. That's why it's not getting any voice and not showing what is the decibel of my environment. And you have to take the screenshot of this application. That will be the first step before starting any task. Getting it, guys?
Yeah, got it.
Okay. Once you have took the
Yes, sir.
screenshot, when you will come to my project section, okay, there will be two tasks assigned to you. First task will be for this screenshot upload. Yeah, you have to update that screenshot. You have to upload that screenshot, and then you will be redirected to the second task. The second task will be utterance recording. Now, that task will be like this. Okay, as I have selected the Mexican English, I've been assigned this Mexican English utterance collection task. I can simply click on this, just like the other task, which will be of Bengali or Tamil or German language. Now, I have already worked on this particular task. That's why it is showing that I can resume. Yeah. But make sure when you are doing this task, you have to complete it entirely. There will be 220 utterances for one task, and you have to complete those. Now, I'll give you an example how you can get a new job, how you can start on a new job. I am clicking on the Start New Job section. Now, this is the main file. I can click on Next button. And it will, ask few of my details, like email ID, which I am using or with which I have logged in this particular module. Then gender, you are male, female, and then your age. So once you have selected that, you can click on Get Job. Now look, until unless I am finishing my previous job, it is not letting me do get the new job. That's what I have told you in the beginning, that you have to complete your 220 utterances which you've been provided. Once you are finished with those, then you will be eligible to get a new job, right? So I'll be clicking on resume to show you how you can do this. So these are all my details which I have filled: email ID, gender, and age. Look, guys, the location is already coming. You don't have to manually mention the location. Yeah. With the device location, it will automatically capture it. Now, once you will click on the next, you'll see some instructions. Okay. Now, this is an training environment. That's why these instructions are not available over here. When you will be working on live application, you will get those instructions. Once you read those all instructions, you can simply click on I have read the instruction carefully. And when you have done, you can start with the task. Okay. Now, one thing which is not showing in, as I have already done this task before, the application will ask you for a consent form. Okay. You can see that consent form. You have to scroll down, and then there will be a button to add signature. I'll share the screenshots as well, how you have to do that. And you have to manually give a signature, and then you will be redirected to this page. Not before that, not before your consent. Clear? Yes, no, maybe.
Yes, clear.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now, before starting this recording, okay, you have to make sure again that the environment is quiet. Now, there are so many users who do this mistake. Then when they will click on this start recording button, they will wait for some time, and then they will start recording. Yeah. But what you have to do, when you click on start recording button, simply you have to start reading. Secondly, you don't have to rush for this. The pace should be normal, not too fast, not too slow. Make sure that whenever you are pronouncing any word, those should be correct. Okay. So let's say if I have to read the script, it should not be like that. This: he leaves all alone except for his pet. This is wrong, right? Because the pace is so slow. Now, this is also wrong. He lives all alone except for his pets. Yeah, because I am going too fast. Secondly, I cannot miss any words like he all alone except for these pets. That is also wrong because I missed the leave word. So make sure that you are on a normal pace. You are not going too fast, not too slow. You are not missing out any words. The pronunciation should be clear, and you have to, when you click on start recording button, at that moment you have to start reading this utterance. And once you are finished with this utterance, you can simply click on stop recording. I'll give you a demo. Yeah. He lives all alone except for his pets. Okay. So I clicked on start recording. Can you mute yourself, Lata Sumi? Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay. So as I told you, you can click on start recording button, and from that moment you have uh,
Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes.
Yes, you are audible.
Okay. I would request that during the training session, if anyone is speaking, please mute yourself. If you have any questions, any doubt, you can unmute and ask the questions. And it's a request to please be interactive, because end of the day, you as a user would be going ahead and working on this project. All right. I can only see that there are only few members who are saying yes or no. What about the rest? Are you able to understand the training? Till now, whatever has been explained.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much. So please be interactive, because by not being interacting, we are assuming that you are not interested, or you are doing any other work apart from the training that we are providing to you. So please be interactive. Ask as many questions as you want, because end of the day, while doing the recording, you would be facing certain issues. So would request, this is the best channel to go ahead and get all your doubts clear before you work in this project. Yeah.
thank you so much, Samir. Okay. So we'll continue from the application use. As I was telling you, that when you click on start recording button, make sure that you are start to saying this script from the very beginning. And once you are done with reading this utterance, you have to click on stop recording. Now, after doing that, you can see that there is button available for replay this recording, what you have done. Simply, you can play this recording and check whether it is matching the requirement parameter or not. If you are happy with this recording, you can submit this job. If you are not, you can simply click on delete button, and it will give you another prompt where that is yes, delete. Or if you are not, you can simply cancel and you can submit the job. Yes. Yes, no, maybe.
Yes.
Yes.
Are we
Yes.
clear on this? Yes. Thank you. So once you submit this job, you'll be redirected to this page. Now, again, as I told you that right now I'm working on this training environment. For you guys, there will be set of utterances. Yeah. like 220 utterances. So once you click on that submit job, you will get the second utterance, then third, fourth, until unless you are finished with all the utterances. Clear?
Yes,
Now,
yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
clear.
clear.
Yeah.
now I'll be showing you the screenshot, as I told you, in the application, how you can submit the consent, how you can share the screenshot of the decibel application. Just give me a moment. I'll be stopping the screen share from my mobile, and I'll be joining from my system. Yeah. Yes. So you can see the screen, right? Is it visible?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
yeah. So this is the application, which is decibel sound level test. Now you'll be getting the link as well for these application. This is also available for Android user and iOS users. Simply, what you can do, you can also go to the Google Play Store and type in this name. You can get this application. Just install this application, and while clicking the open button, running the application, directly you will go to this page. Now, make sure that the sound level should be below 40. If it is not 40, below 40, you have to change the room, or make sure that the environment is quiet. There is no fan noise. There is no AC noise. Yeah. And this screenshot, once you have took this screenshot, you have to upload in the application as a task 1. After that, you will be provided the task 2, which will be for the utterances. Yes.
Yeah, yes.
Now, for
There are certain things that we need to take care as well. The script is provided by us on the application. You need to read the script as it is without making or missing any words, and without making any mispronunciation errors. Okay. Now, you need to also take care while reading the application. It has to be a normal pace. You need to go ahead and record 220 utterances for one user, which means, for example, you recorded 100 utterances and you want your friend to record on the same utterances. That is not acceptable. We will not accept any file in which we hear two users' voice. One user, he or she has to record 220 utterances in one go. Okay. And while doing that, make sure your voice is not echoing. There is no other person sitting beside you who's prompting you to say what you need to do. You would not take any help of recording text to speech. Text to speech means you play it on the Google app, and they go ahead and say the utterances. That is also incorrect. Okay. Once 222 utterances has been recorded, if any of the utterances that would be rejected, you would be getting the notification on your email ID, or on the application. It will reflect how many utterances has been rejected. You need to once again rework on those utterances only. Yeah. Till now, any confusion, any doubts? I can see there are more than 40 members. Any confusion, any doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
It's
For
clear.
everyone?
Yeah.
No, sir. It is
Yes,
clear.
you have a question? No doubt. Okay.
No, sir. No, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, okay. So this project, as we do the summarization, we will also provide you the recording and the guideline. Please go through the guideline once. If you still have any confusion or doubts, you can ask us. We can go ahead and provide you the refresher training. But while doing the recording, please make sure there is no background noise, no fan noise, no AC noise. Your voice is not echoing. It is your own voice who has done the 222 recording. So if you're in Tamil, you have to be a Tamil user. A Bengali, you have to be a Bengali native language user. And one user can only record one language. So even if you know Bengali and Tamil both, you can only choose one language. You are not allowed to use both the language, even if you're well versed with all the languages. Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
So till now, any questions?